In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Power BI. If you're working with data in Power BI, adding a custom column is a really useful way to create new values based on the information you already have. This can help you clean up your dataset, make calculations easier, and prepare your data for better reports and visuals. The good news is that the process is very simple once you know where to go. To get started, first go to your data in Power BI. Make sure you have your dataset open and ready because the new column will be created from within your existing data setup. Once you're there, the next thing you want to do is open Power Query mode. You can do that by clicking Transform Data. This will take you into the Power Query editor, which is where you can shape, clean, and customize your data before using it in your report. After Power Query opens, look toward the top of the window. You'll see several tabs with different options for modifying your table. From here, click Add Column. This section is specifically designed for creating new columns in your data, whether you want to use simple logic or more advanced formulas. Once you click Add Column, choose Custom Column. This opens a window where you can define exactly what your new column should do. In this box, you'll be able to give your new column a name. Try to choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if your project has multiple tables or transformations. Below the column name field, you can enter a custom column formula. This is where you tell Power BI how to generate the values for that new column. Depending on your needs, the formula can be simple or more detailed, but the key point is that this is the place where the new column's logic is created. Take a moment to review what you type so the output matches what you expect. Once you've named the column and entered your formula, that's it. Power BI will add the new column to your table in Power Query. At that point, you can review the results and make sure everything looks correct. And that's how to add a column in Power BI. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check the values in your new column before moving on, especially if you're using it in calculations or reports later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.